The price of AMP has gone down by minus 0.23% in the last 24 hours. In 2023, AMP could reach $0.015. The worst-case price estimate for AMP is that it will be worth $0.0015 in 2023. The previous all-time high for AMP was on June 16, 2021, when it was worth 12 cents. AMP was worth $0.002 at the same time last week. It went down by 1.76% in the last week and is now worth $0.0019. In fact, AMP has dropped by minus 0.23% in the last 24 hours. On the crypto market, there is a little bit of a gloomy mood. Long term, however, the outlook is still strong, and AMP could reach $0.011 in 2024. At the time this piece was written, the total amount of AMP in circulation was 56,127,938,240.44, and its market cap was still $107,734,260. Price guess for AMP. AMP's 2021 has been full of events. To make the new AMP price prediction easier to understand, we have split it into short-term and long-term predictions. At the time this story was written, $26,871,942 worth of AMP stock was traded. In the last 30 days, AMP has lost minus 26.75% of its value. In the short term, our research shows that the average price of AMP in November 2023 will be $0.012 and that the highest price that month could be $0.013. Also, our long-term research shows that the average price of AMP in March 2024 will be $0.0097, and the highest price it could reach in March 2024 is 1 cent. AMP price forecast for September 2, 2023. According to our research, the price of AMP on September 2, 2023 should be between $0.003 and $0.0034, with an average price of about $0.0032. AMP price forecast for September 3, 2023. According to our research, the price of AMP on September 3, 2023 should be between $0.003 and $0.0035, with an average price of about $0.0032. AMP price forecast for September 4, 2023. According to our research, the price of AMP on September 4, 2023 should be between $0.0031 and $0.0036, with an average price of around $0.0034. AMP price forecast for September 5, 2023. According to our research, the price of AMP on September 5, 2023 should be between $0.0034 and $0.0039, with an average price of around $0.0036. AMP price forecast for September 10, 2023. According to our research, the price of AMP on September 10, 2023 should be between $0.0049 and $0.0056, with an average price of around $0.0053. AMP price forecast for September 15, 2023. According to our research, the price of AMP on September 15, 2023 should be between $0.0064 and $0.0074, with an average price of about $0.0069. AMP price forecast for September 25, 2023. According to our research, the price of AMP on September 25, 2023 should be between $0.0097 and $0.011, with an average price of about 1 cent. AMP price estimate for October 2023. According to our research, the price of AMP in October 2023 should be between $0.011 and $0.013 on average. AMP price estimate for November 2023. According to our research, the price of AMP in November 2023 should be between $0.012 and $0.013 on average. AMP price estimate for December 2023. According to our research, The price of AMP in December 2023 should be between $0.012 and $0.014, with an average price of around $0.013. What AMP's long-term price will be. AMP's long-term price prediction. Here is a look at how the price of AMP might change in the future. AMP was last seen at $0.0019, with a market cap of $107,734,260 and a trade volume of $26,871,942. AMP can make price predictions by looking at how prices have moved in the past, what's happening now, and how people feel about it. AMP price estimate for 2023, based on our research. The price of AMP in 2023 should be between 1 cent and $0.015, with an average price of around $0.013. AMP price estimate for 2024, based on our research, the price of AMP in 2024 should be between $0.0074 and $0.011, with an average price of around $0.0093. AMP price estimate for 2025. Based on our research, the price of AMP in 2025 should be between $0.0095 and $0.014, with an average price of around $0.011. AMP price estimate for 2026. According to our research, the price of AMP in 2026 will be between $0.012 and $0.018, with an average price of around $0.015. AMP price estimate for 2027. According to our research, the price of AMP in 2027 should be between $0.015 and $0.023, with an average price of around $0.019. AMP price estimate for 2028. According to our research, the price of AMP in 2028 should be between $0.019 and $0.029, with an average price of around $0.024. AMP price estimate for 2029. According to our research, the price of AMP in 2029 should be between $0.025 and $0.038, with an average price of around $0.031. AMP price estimate for 2030. Based on our research, the price of AMP in 2030 should be between $0.032 and $0.049, with an average price of about 4 cents. AMP price estimate for 2031. Based on our research, the price of AMP in 2031 should be between $0.041 and $0.062, with an average price of about $0.052. AMP price estimate for 2032. According to our research, the price of AMP